The most destructive habit sabotaging your life. Right now, as you watch this video, there's a silent killer draining your focus, stealing your time, and sabotaging your dreams. It's more addictive than cigarettes, more common than caffeine, and more destructive than you realize. The worst part? You've probably already checked your phone once since this video started. Stay with me, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to expose this habit, explain why it's ruining your potential, and give you a battle-tested plan to break free starting today. The silent killer of potential. This isn't about smoking, drinking, or laziness. This is something far more subtle, something society actually rewards. The most destructive habit sabotaging your life is constant distraction, not just phone scrolling, not just Netflix binges, but the deeper addiction to avoiding discomfort at all costs. Every time you reach for your phone when bored, every time you procrastinate on hard tasks, every time you choose quick dopamine over real growth, you're strengthening this habit. Why your brain is wired for sabotage. Our ancestors survived by conserving energy. Your brain still operates like this, always seeking the path of least resistance. But in the modern world, this wiring destroys your potential. Studies show the average person checks their phone 96 times a day. It takes 23 minutes to refocus after each distraction. 88% of people admit avoiding uncomfortable but important tasks. The invisible epidemic. This isn't about drugs. This isn't about alcohol. This is about something far more insidious. Our addiction to distraction. We live in an age where the average person spends 4+ hours daily mindlessly scrolling, checks their phone every 6 minutes, can't focus on one task for more than 40 seconds. But here's what no one tells you. Distraction isn't just wasting your time, it's rewiring your brain. Studies show constant digital stimulation shrinks your attention span faster than aging, lowers your IQ more than marijuana use, increases anxiety more than caffeine. Why your brain is addicted. Every ping, like, and notification gives you a dopamine hit, the same chemical released during sex and drug use. Tech companies spend billions engineering apps to exploit this. Your phone isn't a tool anymore. It's a slot machine you carry in your pocket. The cycle of self-sabotage. You feel uncomfortable, bored, stressed, challenged. Your brain screams for relief. You choose distraction, social media, snacks, busy work, temporary relief, followed by shame. Repeat until life passes you by. The 4 stages of distraction addiction. The trigger, boredom, stress, or challenging work. The craving, your brain screams for quick dopamine. The response, you grab your phone just for a second. The reward, temporary relief followed by shame. This cycle repeats hundreds of times daily, training your brain to fear focus and crave constant stimulation. Your focus recovery plan. Phase 1. Eliminate day 1 to 3. Delete all social media apps. Use browser version only. Turn off every non-essential notification. Install website blockers. Freedom, cold turkey. Phase 2. Rebuild. Day 4 to 7. Practice deep work sessions. Start with 25 minutes. Use physical barriers. Phone in another room. Schedule distraction time. Yes, schedule it. Phase 3. Master. Day 8 to 30. Track focus hours like workouts. Reward deep work with quality leisure. Gradually increase focus sessions. The 30-second focus hack. When distraction strikes, notice the craving. I want to check my phone. Name it. This is my brain seeking dopamine. delay for just 30 seconds, sets you up to resist. How to break free. The solution isn't willpower, it's rewiring your environment. The 10-second rule. When urge to distract hits, pause for 10 seconds. Ask, is this serving my future self? Pain stacking. Link distractions to consequences. Example. Every Instagram scroll was another day in a job I hate. Progress tracking. Keep a distraction journal. Just noticing patterns creates change. Your 3-day reset challenge. Day 1. Delete one time-wasting app. Day 2. Schedule one 60-minute focus block. Day 3. Have one uncomfortable conversation you've avoided. Your time is your life currency. Every minute spent distracted is a minute stolen from your dreams. Here's my challenge. For the next 24 hours, be brutally honest. Keep a distraction log. Every time you reach for your phone, every time you procrastinate, write it down. Then comment, "Wake up" below. I'll send you my free focus toolkit. Smash that like button if you're ready to take back control. Subscribe, because next week, I'm revealing how I went from 2-hour daily scrolls to 6-hour deep work sessions. The choice is yours. Keep feeding the distraction monster, or start building the life you deserve.